Tenderizing steaks is a crucial step in preparing a delicious meal. There are several methods you can use to achieve the desired tenderness in your meat. One common technique is to use a meat mallet to physically break down the muscle fibers in the steak. This can help to soften the meat and make it easier to chew. Another method is to marinate the steak in a mixture of acidic ingredients, such as vinegar, lemon juice, or buttermilk. The acid helps to break down the proteins in the meat, making it more tender. You can also add other ingredients to your marinade, such as herbs, spices, and oils, to enhance the flavor of the steak. If you don't have a meat mallet or time to marinate your steak, you can also try using a meat tenderizer. This tool has small blades that pierce the meat, helping to break down the muscle fibers and make the steak more tender. Simply press the meat tenderizer into the steak several times on each side before cooking. For a more hands-off approach, you can also try using a natural tenderizer, such as kiwi or papaya. These fruits contain enzymes that can help to break down the proteins in the meat and make it more tender. Simply puree the fruit and rub it onto the steak, then let it sit for about 30 minutes before cooking. No matter which method you choose, it's important to let the steak rest after tenderizing it. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, making it more flavorful and juicy. You can let the steak rest for anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes, depending on the size of the steak. Once you've tenderized your steak, you can cook it however you like. Whether you prefer to grill, broil, or pan-sear your steak, tenderizing it beforehand will help to ensure that it turns out perfectly juicy and tender. So next time you're preparing steak for dinner, be sure to take the time to tenderize it properly for a delicious and satisfying meal.